Hey friends, today I'm here with homemade cheese. You can easily make delicious cheese with different flavor at home. The ingredients are 2-liter milk, 8 tablespoons vinegar, salt as you need it. Put the milk on the heat to boil. Reduce heat. Add vinegar. Stir till your cheese begins to mass. Pour 1 tablespoon salt. If you wish, now you can add cumin or dill or chopped walnuts. When its water turns green, turn the heat off. Now we put a cloth inside the dish. Pour the contents of the pot into it. Set aside excess water to keep the cheese in it at the end. Place a heavy weight on the cheeses inside the cloth for 2 hours to remove excess cheese water.
2 hours later.
Now we remove it from the cheesecloth and cut it. Add 2 tablespoons of salt to the extra water that we've left aside. Put the sliced cheeses in it. After a day, the cheese is ready to eat. Enjoy your meal.